Hey everyone, so I'm back, and I know I've been a really long time away from my YouTube channel, and I apologize for that. I just had a lot of things going on and a few different changes of life. So to carry on, the haul that I got for you today is a couple things from Victoria's Secret. I went in for my free panty like you get in the mail all the time, and I ended up picking up a shirt and some more underwear, and I just recently had gotten a new swimsuit from Victoria's Secret that I've been wanting forever, so I'm really excited about that, and I'll actually show you guys that first. I think it's a Forever Sexy line, and I've been eyeing this swimsuit for like a year and a half now, and I finally got it. It was definitely a splurge. Like, I think it was $75 for the whole thing, and I ordered this online, and this is in a size large. I've only worn it once, but I could have gone with a medium. I just wanted to go to a large just to be safe. If you are like a B to C, I would recommend getting the medium, but it also has the little links in the back that you can make it a little tighter if you need it, which I have. And the bottoms are a medium, and they look like this. They're super cute and have the hardware like the top does, and then the back is like this. It's not too cheeky to where everything's hanging out in the backside if you're not like totally comfortable with that, which I definitely am not. So I just wanted something a little more subtle but still cute. And then as far as the underwear goes, I got a few different styles. First one, I got just the thong like normal. That's my favorite thing, but then I don't know, I started liking the hipster and cheekies a lot. So these have the flower print lace at the top and the edging, and I just got the rainbow pattern. Thought it was really cute and bright still for summer. I know it's almost fall, but that's what I chose. And then I also got the hipster in like a hot coral color, and these are super cute and make you look super tan, so I really love this. And then also they had a little bit of a rough like detailing with the studs, so I really love that. Also, I got the boyfriend or the boy shorts, and these are just in the dark blue with the pink on the lace edging on top. And then I got the cheekies from the Victoria's Secret side. These were super cute. I just wanted a like neutral light color for fall. And then also I spotted the sale rack, and that's where I got my pink top, and it looks like that. So this is super cute, and it was $20 normal, and then I got it for $11.99, so I was really excited. Also ran into Zumiez, and I did pick up a few things. Most of them are beanies, but I just got a headband just because I really, really like that trend right now. So the first beanie is the cat beanie, and I'm sure you guys have all seen this if you go around shopping at Zumiez, PacSun, and like stores like that. But yeah, this is like a winter beanie, and then it has the cotton inside, and you can feel there's like a fleece like inner liner just for when it's like super cold out. And then also I got this striped Neff beanie. This is really cute. It's really simple, and I just love the colors because they can go with anything. And then I did pick up a Crochet Kids crocheted headband, but it's super cute, and I love the brand, and I just really love supporting this, and just knowing that people, like, I'm helping buying this, and my money's going towards something good. I just felt really great about it, but I'll definitely be purchasing more by them. And then I also got this by Crochet Kids, and it's like an iridescent pale pink color beanie, and it's slouchy, and it's super cute, and I'm like in love with it, so I'm really excited about wearing that for fall. As for anything else, I don't have anything else from the haul, but I will surely be posting another video soon. If you guys have any like videos that you'd want me to film, just let me know, and I'm going to put up my blog soon. So I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe for more, and let me know what you think.